Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for the sign of Taurus. So if you have your sun, moon, rising, or if your Venus is sitting in the sign of Taurus, this is the reading for you. You can also cross watch for your partner. So if their sign is Taurus, or if they have their sun, moon, rising, you can also watch it for them. The first card that I have for you guys is number 10. So 10 of swords. Something has happened in the recent past. There's a sense of sadness. There's if you can look at this girl, she's sitting alone and she's crying over something. So there is a loss of something. So this loss could be in terms of, because it's a swords card. Swords are related to communication. It's an airy element. A lot of you might not be communicating with each other, or your person might have cut contact with you. So that is a very strong possibility. You could be dealing with an air sign. So Gemini, Libra, Aquarius seems to be very prominent, and you might have got to know that this person might have had dependency issues on somebody else. So there could be another thing in your relationship. Doesn't have to be a person, but it could be that they were too addicted to games, or they were too focused on their work, that they were not able to give you time. And which is why there is you might be going through a time where there's not a lot of communication going on. The next card I have for you is the 10 of wands. 10 of wands tells me moving forward there is going to be a partnership. So you are going to get into a partnership, and if you have been going through a time of no communication, communication is coming. And a lot of passion I see, a lot of affection I see. If they have not been able to communicate and tell you exactly what they feel about you, I feel like in the coming months it is going to happen. The next card I have for you is the hangman. So the hangman tells you that don't have a lot of expectations. I know this is going to happen, this is going to happen, but at the same time the cards are trying to tell you not to have expectations and just let the universe decide what is right for you. Moving forward, if your person has to focus on their career, because a lot of times when the 10 of wands shows up, 10 of wands means there are a lot of responsibilities, there's a lot of work that has to be done, and the person is very focused on other aspects of their personal life, or of their life, that they are unable to give as much attention to the love life as you think they should. So this is what is going to happen. And hangman card talks about a sacrifice that needs to be made in order to move forward. And it's only when you make the sacrifice can you move forward towards a more stable life, or a very stable area in your life. The next card I have is the knight of wands. So I see there's a very strong passion between you and your person. um, you feel for somebody, you really feel for somebody, but probably because of the workload, because a lot of things that are going on in your life, you are unable to focus on them. And but it doesn't mean you don't love this person, or you don't feel affection for this person. Obviously you do. It's just right now is not the right time. The next card I have for you is the four of swords. So not only are the Gemini, Aquarius, Libra signs important, but Aries, Leo, Sagittarius sign is also very important for you. I do feel like in the coming months you guys are going to be spending a lot of time, uh, thinking about the entire situation. I don't see, I see communication, but I won't lie and tell you there's a lot of communication coming your way, because I feel some things are limited in terms of the communication that's coming towards you. But at least you'll be spending a lot of time thinking about your partner, thinking about what they feel about you, or um, what their reaction is when they think about you, or things like that. So I see, like, for a lot of you, a lot of focus is going to be on making choices. See, moving forward, so after this phase, after 4 months of being together with each other, I think after 4 months you are finally going to get this romantic emotional connection with them that you have been looking for, when they'll finally come to and start communicating with you, start telling you exactly this is what they want, this is how they want. And 4 months from now is when you are actually going to make an improvement in your relationship moving forward. See, and then we have the knight of pentacles. That means your person is going to make an offer to you, but the offer is going to come late, because it's a pentacles card. So the what they are doing right now is that, even you or your partner, you're thinking about the entire situation. You are going to take an action, but it's not going to come anytime slow. The next card I have for you is finally Ace of Swords, finally a breakthrough. So don't worry, whatever the situation is, right now the situation requires some kind of patience, some kind of sacrifice, and that is mostly a sacrifice of your time. But the fruits of this relationship are going to be amazing. So don't give up so quickly. Don't move on so quickly. See, this person is your soulmate. Yes, this is your soulmate. You are going through, something that's karmic, something, that requires that you learn about each other, which is why I told you, you are going to have that heart to heart conversation, communication, but it's going to take a little bit of time before you come to that point. The next card I have for you is pay attention to the red flags. The signs are cautioning you. So at the same time, what the cards are trying to tell you is that, you have to pay attention. The universe is giving you signals. The universe is telling you, what is right for you, what is not. So just because you're going through, a period of not a lot of things going on in your life does not mean that you move away from it, or you let go of the situation, but rather pay attention to what's going on around you, and then make a decision. So this also tells me that it's a possibility either your person is not understanding that you could be going through a lot in your life, or they are going through a lot in their life and they have not decided what they want to do moving forward. So make sure you pay attention to that, and let me know if this reading resonates. I'll see you guys next time.